Welcome back. Okay, so I got three things here. I'm gonna come around real quick and see what we're working with. Easy peasy. Gonna start with this one. I realized I didn't make any colorful ones in the last few, so I'm trying to go whatever because these have been selling like hotcakes. It's pink and yellow, but you can't really see the what you call it too much, but whatevs. Love it. Came out well. This one was a custom request. They liked the pink and yellow from that hanging plant tray, so it was requested. Oh my gosh, like the same kind of style with like the splotches. Ooh, come on, please don't hurt me. Oh, that's so pretty. All right. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, I love this. I like the yellows. This yellow looks really good. I mixed the hell out of that yellow. Okay, so that's a go. Yeah. I don't know if I want to do any more of these. They actually like the display that I had. That's why they requested it in that color. But I don't know if I want to make these. Like, I personally would love to have these because I'm a water baby. But I don't know if everybody has the same appreciation. And I actually live somewhere where there are oceans. But I could put them online for people who need an ocean. Okay, this is soft. Actually gonna hold off on this. Did I do this with another batch? I don't remember which batch I did this with. If this was a solo batch. Oh, my fingerprints in here too? Yeah, no. We're definitely holding off on this. I think this was the last one I did. I don't think this has sat for 24 hours as yet. Okay. So with that being said, I guess I'll take these out. Got some other things here. Surprise. Ooh, okay. Got that part off. Oh, that's not centered. These are gonna be the bane of my existence. This one, but thankfully it is not like a circular thing, so it might not be too obvious that it's not centered. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. You see that? Can you? You see that? That looks amazing. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. Like, yeah. And might as well take this one out too since we're doing the doorknobs. Oh, I think I might need pliers for this, but I can take this part off. This is the part I need y'all to see. Oh, come on. Oh, this is the new mold. Staying tight. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so are you gonna come off? Oh. Yikes. Okay, so this was red when I first did it. It kind of still looks reddish. I might have to figure out an alternate color for it. But it's a doorknob, obviously. You can, but it looks the, what you call it, DBZ theme, obviously, also. But this looks kind of orangish. I'm gonna try another method if this one looks the same. This one was giving me grief. This mold is probably gonna need hella cleaning up around the edges. The other one was pretty good. It's just a small slight ring. Oh, come on. Oh, because this one spilled over a couple times. You can see like all the residue left over from where I was struggling with it. Oh, come on. Ooh. Okay, yeah, it looks orangish on both. Oh, this one shifted. It's probably because it was doing all that back and forth. Either way, you get the point, and it's doing what it essentially was supposed to. This is an easy cleanup. It's soft. It's not, you know. So let me come back around. Okay, so we got 3 doorknobs. They kind of look like popsicles, which kind of makes me feel bad because like kids be coming to my table and I'd be like, oh my god, I hope your parents are telling you, you know, not to smoke or whatever, but that's their job, not mine. But yeah, I'm pleased with these outside of, you know, the discoloration. I'm probably gonna check and see if I can try something else to see if that gives me the effect that I want. And these all came out great. Yeah, these are all good. I gotta let that sit a little bit longer, this blue one, because baby is soft. This was supposed to be for me though, so no harm, no foul. Anyways, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, listen to the podcast, and just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Create, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.